Hey guys, welcome to another one of my cooking demonstrations. Today I'm going to share my quiche recipe. So quiche is a French tart which consists of pastry crust and is filled with cheesy and creamy savoury filling. You can add meat or seafood if you wish, but I'm going to make the vegetable version today. It's best served hot but is also enjoyed cold for lunchtime parties. So I'm going to start by preparing some vegetables. I'm going to cut up one tomato. You can add any vegetables you wish, but I'm going to keep this simple. Next, I'm going to finely chop some red onion. I've decided to add some broccoli to my quiche, so I'm just going to chop that up. To make things easier, I've got some already rolled shortcrust pastry. I'm going to go ahead and prepare that. I'm going to make an 8-inch quiche, so I'm going to use an 8-inch tin as a guide to cut the pastry to the right shape. So once that's rolled out nicely, I'm going to grease an 8-inch tin and lay this at the bottom. I'm going to fork the bottom of my pastry so it cooks through nicely. We're going to prepare the filling now, so I'm going to add the vegetables to a bowl. All of the ingredients I've used are listed in the description below. I have added some salt, some black pepper and some red crushed chillies. I gave that a good mix before cracking in 3 eggs and some milk. I added the eggs to the filling along with some double cream. I gave that a good mix and added a generous amount of cheese. I saved a little bit of cheese for later so I can layer it on top of the quiche. The filling is all done, we're just going to add that to the shortcrust pastry. And lastly, we're going to add some cheese on top of that. This quiche is ready to bake, so I'm going to use my air fryer oven. You can use a normal oven if you like. I have put both settings in the description below. I'm going to bake this quiche at 190 for 25 minutes. Details of this amazing air fryer oven are in the description below, so be sure to check that out later. When there were about 13 minutes left to cook, I took the quiche out and added some foil on top because I didn't want it to brown any more than it did. So after 25 minutes, I took the quiche out and it was completely cooked through and ready to eat. And we're all done. A quick and easy quiche recipe. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, guys.